So what do you do when you want to plant this daylily? What kind of hole? Well, I guess you have to put a little bit of effort into making the right kind of hole. Sometimes I just make a hole and throw it in the ground, and other people say that wasn't very nice looking. I guess what you don't want to have is a gap. Wherever the hole is, you want to make sure the root fits in very nicely. And with this plant, I also want to show you how you can divide it in half again with not even using a shovel. I just pulled that apart with my hands. Lots of people prefer, when they see me shoveling, they say, oh my gosh, you're damaging. It doesn't matter. You could pull it apart. And the rule is about fans. How many fans? Each one of these sections is a fan. Fan here, fan here. Usually 3 fans are what you would like to have, ideally as the smallest plant. So this plant here holds a little bit too deep, so I'll just gently pull it up and keep putting the dirt around it. Okay? Patting it down gently. Having a little compost in this soil is good. Patting it here. Patting it here. And like I mentioned before, we just had a lot of rain. So I don't need any dirt, any water to add to this dirt, I should say. But I might do some water tomorrow morning and just give it a little drink, but not to overwater these because these do not like to sit in a lot of mud. They're fine just the way they are.